It's great fun. Get a new black tyre, that's for sure. GoPro stop recording.
And now for a repeat of Eas Dubh with a banging soundtrack.
Well, that was great fun. That was called Eas Dubh. First time I've done it, or any trails in here really. And those drops come on you unexpectedly, so I missed a couple because I didn't really see them coming. But otherwise that's very fast and flowy, but I've just realised I need a new back tyre. I've looked at my tyre and the tread really is getting very low. My back tyre was skidding a wee bit coming down there. Anyway, I'm going to crack on. I think the next one's a Cannonball Run. From me for now, cheery bye!
And from the bottom of Eas Dubh, you have to cycle along some forest track in order to access the Cannonball Run.
That's me now at the entrance to the Cannonball Run. The weather's been absolutely fantastic today. A lot of shelter from the trees. It is very windy out there. I know that because I put my drone up and I didn't like it, I had to bring it back down. So above the trees it's very windy, but loads of shelter in here. If you're ever thinking it's too windy to come up to Carron Valley, honestly the shelter is absolutely fantastic. I can't feel a breeze at all in here. Complete shelter from the trees. Anyway, from me for now, cheery bye. So here we go, the Cannonball Run. Ooh. On here, what's happening here? Oh, what's going on? There's 2 ways to go there. What's happening here? Oh, must have missed the sign. Look, it's going to tell me which way. Wasn't looking, Stoozer. Ah, it's left. Well, bloody hell, this junction caught me out. It's clearly marked, by the way, but I was just getting carried away. So obviously when I come back and do it again, which I will do, I bet it's really fast in the dry weather. It's a bit gluey in this wet weather, you can't really get a great speed up. At this junction, obviously, look out for it next time I come in. If you've never been before, watch out for it on the Cannonball Run, because you're going left here. It's easily missed if you're getting carried away with the excitement. Cheers.
So here we go. Let's do it right this time.
Fun. Ooh, nearly. A bit slippy down here. Ooh. Very slippy these bits. Was confusing. You come to a junction there and it tells you to go straight on for the Cannonball, and then you end up on the pipe dream, And I've looked on the map and it's a kind of a link to the pipe dream, so I really did I actually finished the Cannonball. I was right at the bottom of it anyway, and when you need to get to the forest road and turn right to go up to the runway, so that's what I'm going to do now. But that bit is a wee bit confusing. I'm sure I'm not the first one to be caught out by that. From me for now, cheery bye.
And now for the Cannonball Run again with a banging soundtrack.